Hey, bro, I have exciting news. I was winning $300,000 on my lottery club, bro, and I'm going to buy my dream car, my dream house. Bro, how do you advise me? I just want this money right now. I'm so excited to see my dream car. I'm so excited to live my happy life forever. If you buy a house, the house is going to be just like your beauty, and it's going to add you more expense. And when you buy a car, the car is just going to give you more expense. So why don't you invest on maybe real estate and get income maybe every month? So you can just buy two houses, and one house you can use this house to rent the house, and every month you are receiving your own income. Then you have cash flow income, and you can buy a car for renting, and you can rent the car, and people can come to you and rent a car, and then you can get income from that car which you are renting. But buying house for living, buying car for driving, having luxury life is just adding most expenses to you. So why don't you invest on asset rather than spending the money you want on lottery club, to invest yourself on the things which is giving you much more profit and become profitable, and you generate money forever and the rest of your life. Bro, for me, for more tips so that you cannot waste your money forever.